Okay, so here are all the woodshop projects that my students built this year. So first we have some of our bigger projects done by my senior students. So here we have an amazing wooden bat made of ash. We have this nice teak shelf, which is gonna go in one of my students' boats. Down here we have a nice little mural, hand painted. We have a nice little side table. And then for one of my students who really loves horses, she built herself a nice little saddle stand to hold her saddle. And then my grade 8s, they built these amazing little wooden and metal cars and trucks. Some are very nicely painted and some have very intricate wood burnings on them. And some are customized with little license plates. So those are really cool. We have a nice little segmented bowl. Really happy how that turned out. We got a few little phone stands. Have a nice little flower holder. Then we have a nice stack of serving trays, which are nicely stained. And some are very nicely painted, especially these two that have a very nice floral pattern painted on them. Have a nice little key holder, which is gonna hang on the wall and hold some keys. And we have a nice little headphone stand. We got a couple spoons. We got one really big one, nice little small one, goes with that nice oak bowl. We have this little cheese board. We have a nice little cutout of a gecko. And then this weird little creepy thing, which is supposed to resemble a clown. Then we have our sword section. So some students who like playing video games wanted to make some prop swords based off of ones in video games and some that were just designed themselves. So we were able to do that. We made sure the edges weren't sharp so they didn't cut themselves, but they look amazing. Got a nice little fish bonker. One of my students really likes to fish. And then my senior students built these wooden boxes using hand tools. So all the joints were hand cut and then assembled together. And then lastly, we have this giant behemoth of a sword. So this thing is massive. It is almost 6 feet tall. I'm 5'10", so this thing's a little bit taller than me. So if any students are interested in taking woodshop, these are some examples of projects you could build. So with some things, if you can think it, we'll see if it's feasible and we will try and build it.